Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with another video. And yes, today I am coming full of blessings. Not only do we have a huge giveaway for y'all, we also got this unboxing right here, some more early sneakers. Definitely something that's gonna be selling out, but definitely something I wanted to see in hand in person to tell y'all if these joints are trash or not. And also we got the new Sample Industries all-in drop 10/19/19 at 8 p.m. EST. But first, let's get into this giveaway, and it would not be possible without the people over at Freebird. Now, Freebird is actually a free ride-sharing app that helps you guys ride share smarter. Now, before I go any further, what are we giving away? I mean, y'all kind of know. I was kind of talking about something I was working on behind the scenes. And yeah, we're going to be giving away one pair of sixes, but Freebird was actually the ones that wanted to turn it up a little bit. And we're not just offering to give away free sixes. I mean, y'all see what else is in my hands. So yes, there will be two winners. One winner on IG and one winner on YouTube. The winners will be contacted through email, and whoever responds first will have their choice between a size 12 in the Cactus Jack 6s or a size 12 in the Travis Scott 1s. And if you ain't a size 12, don't worry. We don't care what you do with the shoes. You can flip them, trade them, do whatever you need to do. But that's what we're giving away. Free sixes and free ones. Now, how do you win? Now, all you guys need to do to enter in the giveaway is to go down to the description below. There will be a link there with my promo code. The link already has my promo code baked in. You click that link, you download Freebird, and you take a ride. Now, if you have Freebird on your phone and you just haven't used it yet, use my promo code BULL. If you don't use my promo code or the link, you won't be entered in. Now, what Freebird does is it actually links with your Uber and your Lyft, and it offers you cash back. Now, restaurants pay the app to pay you to come out to your spot, and that's how you get cash back on rides. And this cash back that you get is not just for the actual app itself. You can pull it out just like a Venmo or a Cash App. It goes straight back into your pocket. And the great thing is, since you have to take a ride to enter the giveaway, on your first two rides you get $5 back each time. So the first two rides you get back $10. So whether that's you're hitting up Chick-fil-A to get a #1 with no pickle large with a lemonade, or you're headed out to a restaurant or a bar being a responsible adult and using a rideshare service, make sure to book your ride through the Freebird app. Now, Freebird does not charge you at all. All they do is offer you cash back blessings on the rides you're already gonna take. And any ride you take, you actually get rewards points. Now, every 5,000 rewards points, you get $10 back. That's $10 back in your pocket. So a quick run through again, download the app via the link in the description or use my promo code, take a ride. Don't worry, you get $5 back on both your first ride. And of course, you know, drop a like on the video, make sure you're subscribed, finesse that bell, and comment down below if you won, which pair would you want to get. Now, since there will be a winner on IG and here on YouTube, there will be a video posted on my IG with rules there. It's the same exact thing, just with IG, you gotta make sure you're following me and following Freebird. Everything else is the exact same. Now, let's go ahead and get into the early box right here. Now, again, I don't know where my knife is at. I can't find my gold knife. I can't find my iridescent blue knife. So today, we're using my dad's old military knife, the goddamn Bowie knife, whatever. We got this guy today. And also, shouts out to the homie Gerardo. Y'all be asking, where do I get my early kicks from? There you go. And this shoe we have in this box, there are a lot of interesting opinions on. Let me take this paper out, bro. It's in the way. And I know this is gonna be one of those shoes that people change their opinion once they see them in hand in person. I'm really hoping that I feel better about this shoe once I see it. I hope they look better in person, because this is a shoe that everyone wants to be good. Everyone doesn't want this shoe to look bad at all. And unfortunately right now, due to pictures and stuff, not looking too good. Now, if we go ahead and look in the box, what early shoe could I be getting? What shoe would I want to check out? What shoe I think you guys want to see, especially a review for on feet? And that is in this box right here. It is a Nike box, an Air Jordan 1 box, and I'm pretty sure you guys already know the deal at this point. So let's go ahead and peel these bad boys out of the box. And yes, I am back with the choir stand, because some of y'all was getting on me because of this, but it works, you know what I mean? I told you I needed some like type of table or something, and this is like perfect. All I gotta do is do this, slide it over, okay, we in frame. Like, we good. Now, of course, you have your regular Nike and Air Jordan box. There is no label because they are early. You know how the stores get. And let's go ahead and peel the box top off. I'm gonna try to let you guys look at them first. Okay, I'm not looking. Y'all see them. Y'all see what's going on. Let me just touch them real quick and feel, yeah, they feel glossy. Let me look at these bad boys. Let's see. Looking over my pair, it seems that at least on my left pair, mine actually has like some factory defects on it as far as like the orange paint on the upper goes. So yes, the Air Jordan 1 shattered backboard 3.0, and as y'all can see in the light, yeah, these joints they're glistening. I can see them right here. These bad boys are glistening right now. Now for first impressions getting the shoe in, and I did go ahead and check this shoe just to see what this residue was on the upper, and if I just give it a little bit of get a little scratch, it's like an extra glue or something and it comes right off. It's no problem. So luckily no defects on my pair. They're so good. But what do I think about this shoe right here, the new shattered backboard 3.0? Let me slide in a little bit to talk with you guys about them. As far as it goes right now with the shoe, I guess that in hand I thought that it might sway me a little bit, but I'm still not crazy about this shoe. I think what saved this shoe is that it is a shattered backboard sneaker. It is on a 1, and it's a black and orange pair of 1s in October. Now, whether you're wearing them in October or not, the black and orange colorway looks clean on these. Another thing I know people were really not liking is this midsole, and yes, it is a heavy yellowed looking midsole. This is a very cream looking midsole on the shoe. Now the upper is that chicken grease saran wrapped crinkled black and orange. Again, I don't know why they did this. I know that I've seen customs of people taking the paint off, or at least flattening out this paint, making it more of a matte finish, and those look fine. They still have the crinkles in them, but I think the matte finish looks a lot better. And I guess the crinkling and everything, it didn't really need to be there. And I feel like the gloss paint on the upper of these really brings out the fact that they are crinkled up, because when it shines, you can really see it. All in all, how do I feel after having them? I think if you guys can get these at retail, I would say go ahead and cop them. It's a shattered backboard sneaker, so they're gonna sell out regardless whether they're chicken greased out or not. And since there are ways, or you can send these off to get matte painted and get that glossy shine off the upper, if you can get them at retail and it really bothers you that much, it doesn't really look good, if I'm being honest. Just go ahead and send them out to someone who can flatten out the paint. Now y'all know these are dropping on October 26th. The full review will be out tomorrow. I'm going to be working on it right after I get done with this video. So there you go, a quick early look, my first impressions on this new shattered backboard 3.0 sneaker. Now real quick, the new sample drop is on Saturday 10/19/19 at 8 p.m. EST. We will be dropping the all-in hoodie that you guys see right here that I have been wearing for over a year and a half now, and people ask me questions about it every time I wear it. Yes, this is dropping 8 p.m. EST. Custom casino tagging on the inside, as well as the tee, as you guys see right here. Same thing, just flipped. The whole idea behind both the tee and the hoodie was kind of to give it that American Thunder look, that vintage American Thunder tee look, and the theme was for Vegas, obviously Las Vegas, Nevada. You got the slot machine right here, and then on the back you have all in. Now for pricing, the hoodie will be $70 and the t-shirt will be $40, and that's because, well, the whole thing, it's a completely all over print tee and also a completely all over printed hoodie. Now the hoodie does also have a little Bulls Bodega tag right there, and the tee has it as well towards the bottom on the left side. It does have a split hem on the bottom. It's a little bit extended because I thought if you're gonna be wearing hoodies, maybe you still want something to show, so Blam is there for you. But yes, after a very long awaited drop, 10/19/19 8 p.m. EST, the link will be down below at SMPLIND. And that's it. Remember the giveaway. Download the app via the link down below and take a ride. You get $5 back on your first ride and your second ride. So not only could the giveaway be free, you can get cash back just for entering, just for taking a ride. It's an extreme win-win. So make sure you guys download the app, take a ride this weekend, go have a drink, wherever the case may be, go grab some food, I don't know, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blessed by, of course. I guess the giveaway kicks it here. So, Bullet RC, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Much love as always. Big salutes and shouts out to the app Freebird. Good luck on the giveaway, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Y'all be easy. Much love as always. Peace.
Trying to